Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Vizard AI. This AI-powered video generator and editor turns one long video into 10+ clips instantly, and the best news is that it is free. Now, let's get started. Just like I said earlier, Vizard AI is an AI-powered tool that clips key moments from lengthy videos in seconds, creating social-ready content effortlessly. Boost your workflow and engagement with just a simple prompt. Now, let me walk you through the steps. Step 1. Upload your video, adjust resolution, and choose language. Simply paste the YouTube link or upload your video file. Select the resolution for optimal quality, and pick the language for automatic subtitles. Step 2. Edit your video. After selecting your option, the video editing window opens. You can choose to edit manually or let AI do the work. For the best results and extra features, opt for Edit by AI. Step 3. Allow Spark 1.0 to do the magic. With Spark 1.0, effortlessly create viral clips by either using AI-driven one-click selections or customized prompts. The AI analyzes visual cues, emotions, and key moments to generate engaging, social-ready content in seconds. Let's take a look at the final output.
I want to promise you one thing, that by the end of this video, you will know how to turn 1,000 into 10,000 or even $100,000 in 365 days or less. And yes, I'm aware that that's a massive claim, but I don't expect you to take my word for it. What you're about to watch is exactly what we teach inside of Digital Launchpad. And we get results like this every single day because it just works.
That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and share this video. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button for more amazing videos.